Airplane. It's from the cloud. Ooh, tingling. Huh? Who was that girl? Hey, call me, baby. You know you need a man. Ooh, I need my makeup done. I need a little blush. Darn, look at him with that hair. Shoot, I wish I had it. Yeah. Oh, damn, look at that jacket. W. Okay, what's up with the W? Sometimes I like that hotel. Yeah, it's cool. We. E. Okay, there's E. We. A. What's going on? What's up with these letters? R. Okay, we are. What's going on? We are. Okay, okay. Just remember, we are. I don't know. Damn, I'm feeling this. That little hussy. She has 3 men on her. I can't even get one girl on me. 3, actually 3 men. Okay, wanna go to the club? Okay. Oh, I'm liking this. It's snowing down. Must be like what, 28 degrees below. But they on fire. Oh my god, it's so hot. What is? Oh, it's a new video. I've never seen this group. They're hot. But what's up with the? Okay, A, I, R. Okay, air. We are air. Yes, you're my air. Gas me. P, L. Okay, okay. What's going on? Do I need to buy a vowel? A. N, E. We are airplane. Okay, what is up with this? Is this with a fart chick? Can I buy a vowel? Next one. I don't know. E. If it's in there. Or I. We are airplane. Okay. L. Oh! Oh! What's going on? What's going on? Look. Okay, I'm looking. I see fineness. Sexy. Oh my god, if I was that necklace. We look at A-T. Okay, okay. We are airplane. Look at what? What am I looking at? I'm looking at y'all. Y'all. Ooh. Things up, baby. You know, candlelight dinners, walking along beach, something like that. Anyway. We are, okay, airplane, okay. Here's your airplane. You want airplane? Okay. How many times have he said that? Yeah, yeah. M. Okay, M. What's going on? I. What's up with these letters? Anyway, okay, we are airplane. We look, okay. R. Okay, we are look air. Okay, we are airplane. Look at a mirror. I don't know. I'm just. Hey, I like Wheel of Fortune a lot. I'm just saying. Okay, it's mirror. Never mind. It has to be mirror. Because I checked the comments. No, but damn, who is this girl? Hey, baby. She looks nice. You see that hair? Do you see that hair? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh my god, the hairstylist. One word. Oh, a couple words. Alright, that was the end of the video. Alright, if you stay for this, I have 2 videos coming in the future. One about men. Oh my god, man. Oh my god, you don't know how many times I watched The Beautiful You. And a video about stalkers. Stalkers! Yes, you know, the K-pop stalkers. The ones that be hiding in the trash cans or at the airports in the bathroom. EXO, The Shining. Has the chicken landed? You know, alright. Bye-bye. Take care. Have fun. Oh yeah.